Ginebra up by 4 with under a minute to play in a pulsating fourth quarter. Here's Ritualo. Oh, Ritualo fires. Oh, that's a kick. Cardona hit Ronald Tubin. Oh my God, he's out of the game. Macmac Cardona is out of the game. Harvey Gary giving a technical. Oh my God. Tempers. Cardona. And everyone is on their feet inside the big dome. Over 18,000 fans on their feet.
Alam mo, nakita ko si Tubin.
You know, Cardona is getting carried away.
Yeah, I really think so. It's the emotion of the game. Do or die situation. At makulit talaga depensa ni Tubin. And, you have to keep your cool. Yan ang specialty ni Ronald Tubin. At kung nakakuha ng flagrant foul si Cardona, by kicking Tubin, Tubin got up and he raised both arms. Sabi niya, yes!
You know, it all started with that rebounding battle between Tubin and Cardona. They were boxing each other out, trying to jockey for position. Bumaksak si Ronald Tubin, and as Tubin was lying on the floor, was on the floor, malinaw na malinaw, siya po'y sinipa ni Cardona.
Cardona will be ejected. That's a flagrant foul too. Technical foul there, si Harvey Carey. And Renzo Ritualo Cardona talking. And I'm sure Renzo Ritualo told Macmac, don't worry Macmac, ako ang bahala rito. Talking Tex is not out of this. 36.3 seconds to go in the third period. We've got a whole quarter to go. This is just a 4-point lead. Wala si Cardona.
But that's just too bad because Cardona has played big in this series.
Yes.
And po yung nangyari doon, as Ritualo takes the shot, Tubin and Cardona, maghihilahan yan. Babagsak si Tubin, and there's Cardona on top of Tubin.
Okay, nasipa yata ni Tubin si Cardona, and Cardona almost tripped.
And there is the kick. Yan, malinaw na malinaw yun. Malinaw na malinaw. It's clear as day.
Their legs got entangled, and I want to give Macmac the benefit of the doubt. Macmac probably thought that there was some kind of an attempt to trip him.
Or parang may second motion din on the part of Tubin perhaps.
Yes.
But I don't think anything just would justify a karate kick in the middle of a game.
Not at all. But Mark Kagiwa missing the foul shot, and that was big because his use of Ginebra is far from comfortable.
It's not safe.
Oh.
It's not safe.
Ito yung crowd natin. Sandali.
Here's another look. There's Ronald Tubin on the floor.
Okay. And look at that kick.
Oh, right in the midsection.
Yes.
Ayun, even si Kagiwa saw that, tinuro ka agad. And there is